Jess is going to come up here and stand on the intake and load up the last limbs for me. Y'all, we are already rolling on corn this morning. So this is gonna make our first cart full for the day. Me and Jesse come down to this bottom last night and did a test run on our fix where we had to weld the butt end of the combine back on where she just tried to walk herself off. But that's fixed, everything's running smooth. As far as we know, we're gonna cut some corn, or cut some more corn. And y'all remember, if you like what you see, subscribe to the video. Getting down to the last couple rows of this farm. Looks like I can't count right again. We got 2 rows right here, and I got 5 over there to do. Oh, now we're gonna get up here. It's gonna turn to 3 rows. Must have got off on the plan. But anyways, we're getting it. This farm turned out better than what I thought. Of course, it is some of our May corn, and our May corn has been in that 130 to 160 range, which is not super great yields. You know, consider the yield, consider the year we've had, and it's been pretty good. They're pretty good. Right now, we're shooting pretty good. Better than nothing. Let's get the truck loaded up. Just ditch here. There we go. Missed it. So we'll get the truck loaded. We'll get the headwheel back on the car. And we'll get ready to move. Where we're at, straight line, we're probably about a mile for our next field. We got to take the road dozer. We're going to be making a big horseshoe back to where we need to be at, which is going to be like I'd say close to 3 mile loop. The farm, put the first load of it in the bin. Alex is in the combine day. Sure, he told you what we're doing so far. Andy's in the tractor. Don's in the dump truck. So, fine. We're on a 30-acre farm right now. Hopefully, we get it knocked out today. We're close to it. It's 4 o'clock here. We may not get it knocked out today. Being 4 o'clock. We'll get close to it. We're gonna run it off the bin what we can. I think we hold about 4,000 more bushel. So we probably won't hold it off, so we'll have to quit running at some point. I hope we can't hold it off, maybe we're making a little corn. Good news today so far, the combine's running good so far. No cracks are broken back out. Looks like our fix there, so they fixed it, so blade's looking better. Good day today. So one of the mounts on the nose converter broke. Just about welder field. We'll weld it back together and go on. Shouldn't take long. We'll get her back running here in a minute. We're gonna get old stick welder on our generator. She'll be good. Well, it's 3:30. I finally got off work to get over and help Alex. I had 3 or 4 later meetings that afternoon. I couldn't get out until 3 o'clock. It's 3:30. Finally got over to help him. Looks like he's been running most of the day by himself again today. Hasn't got a lot done, but it happens. If you've watched us now for long enough, you know that's happens sometimes. Me and Don both get on where we can't take off, or Alex can't take off, and then we lose time. So we lost the time play. It's okay. We'll get it made back up. We still looks like everything ran good so far today. Nothing broke, which is always a win. Everything's still running good. I know last year, first year we did the channel, 2021, I actually got laid off from my job, my previous job in, when did I get laid off? Middle of September. I didn't start working until Thanksgiving on purpose. Because I didn't have no vacation time. I take a lot of vacation this time of year. I take most of my vacation. It's during harvest. I take a little bit during hay baling, because I run the baler a lot. But I take most of it during harvest. So since I got laid off, I didn't have no vacation days. And I didn't want to start a new job. I had to start taking vacation days right away. So I just didn't start a job till, I think I started the week of November when I started my new job. I had a couple job offers and just turned them down. Just get by on something for 2 months ago. We had to get corn out, had to get beans out. So that's how we got by last year with that. I was with Alex every day for 2 months while I was laid off. Except for when I was on job interviews or we just did parts run stuff. I was with them every day. So that's how we kind of got done last year with it being a wet year. And you go back and watch those videos. I put a link to them here. There's a couple of stuck combines, stuck semis because it was a little wet last year. At least don't fight with that this year. We'll get down here before long. We'll see if we can get this field knocked out, and we'll run down the road here in a minute and start working on the next field. That's the plan. Hopefully we can get that knocked out tonight too. Maybe get on the third field tonight. I kind of doubt it. Hopefully get on to the second field tonight, get the equipment moved, get started on it. And it's probably where we'll stop at, because that'll be my field. I need to take that and sell that 9 pounds in the granary. So I think they close at 7 still not. We'll see when we get done today though. Up here and get this grain cart unloaded. We're almost out this field, and I may actually take a dump truck. No, Don's back already. So good. I felt unloaded this grain cart and go back and check on Alex in. So when we get done. Okay. Get out here, Armadillo. I'll hit you on the head. You stupid. Chase you out of here. Go dig a hole somewhere else, you. Don't get. Got all this bottom knocked out. Gonna creep up here on the side of the hill and head a little bit, knock a little bit more head out this evening before quit time. Trying to get me a spot cut out where I can hide the combine. Because we are down here by the whole swimming hole where the degenerates and stuff hang out at. There. And I don't want to leave the combine sitting too close to that spot. Because, you know, I just bought new batteries for it. At a whopping 200 a piece, I don't feel like buying more batteries. Four-wheel drive and climb this whole bank. Yeah, she's still looking decent. I think I can get up here. Let's see, we gotta turn her this way. Yeah, there's the open. that's got us wrapped up for today. It's a good stopping point. We ain't got nothing tore up that I know of, and ain't nobody got hurt, so that's always a plus. Got a combine here behind me. We're about to go up this driveway right here. We cut out this spring to get the sprayer up it and get the planter up it. It's still got a couple trees in the way to get the combine up it. We went through and limbed up a couple a while ago, and we got one more small one to cut just to make sure we have enough room to get out. And then we'll have to see when we drive the combine through. I think there's a couple limbs up higher will have to be on the combine and actually get them cut off. Call if you can't reach from the ground. Finished the other field up yesterday, so we moved up to this one today. Well, actually finished up the other one just a minute ago. It's 1 o'clock here, I think, right now. So we got one tree here we'll lay over, get out of the way, a small one, and then we'll get to this cornfield right back there. That one tree right here, a small tree. Alex is coming with saw, so we'll get it cut, and we'll get in the cornfield again. Got the path cut out. So what we're about to do, Jesse's gonna come up here and stand on the intake and load up the last limbs for me. Got that done, we are ready to roll in this new stuff and see how good or bad it turned out. Got her open up, so Alex back in here now. He's starting to cut the end out, go around it. I think he said he has 15 acres up here on top of this hill. So I'm gonna sit here in the shade of this driveway and let him get his spot opened up. Sit in the shade because it's October 4th, but I got hot outside today. Then turn hot again. But I think it's supposed to be like a 31, 34, something like that for a low. Tomorrow night, or next night one. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday night one. It's supposed to get that burn cold again. Talking about maybe our first frost finally. But it's warm today, so I'm sitting here in the shade, letting the air conditioner catch up. We're tractor sitting in the sun, cool off for a minute, and wait for him to give me a spot to get in the field and do something. So in case you haven't noticed, I've got my major award on here. If you don't get that movie quote, then we don't need to be friends. A friend of ours, Ben Daniel, writes country music and sings. He's got a YouTube channel. I want to draw on here, so got me a free shirt and a new CD. I'll throw a link up here somewhere on top to his YouTube channel. You guys go and check it out. If you like good country music, not this new pop stuff, but actual country music, check him out. Pretty good guy, pretty good singer. He plays a lot of places locally around here, so local guys, if you want to check him out, he does play local times. But anyway, make sure you guys give him a check. Please go check out his channel. This cornfield back here behind the hay field, which I kept rolling the hay off into the woods. I'll link that video up there in case you ain't seen it, but got a pretty good drop off right there here. The driveway ain't even good level. The only thing to do is stick close to these trees and hold on to the seat tight with your butt. It's not too bad once you get past this first little turn right here, and it levels off pretty good through here. First load I only pulled out half a loaded grain cart. It's got one side of the field because the grain cart tried to push the tractor a little bit down the hill. I'm going to pull one more load, dump out, fill this dump truck up, so I'm going to take it to the granary. Again, I will probably put a full load in it. I think I'll do it one more time with just a half load in it. I think I had a full load, but I want to get a fill up first. Yeah, I didn't get a feel for it. It's because I don't trust that hillside down there. It's steeper than it looks, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Nope, not at all. But we only got 15 acres back here, so 150 bushel acre on a good year, maybe 150 back here. So you're looking at maybe 2,000, 2,100 bushel, pull out 400 at a time. So you're looking at 5, maybe 6 loads out of here, full loads. Ain't that many we got to pull out of here. I think we'll be okay. If not, it'll make up a good YouTube video. I mean, that's the point of it, ain't it? Get that good footage. Let's see what we got. Take back through the woods here, right through here. I got off here so I watch my augers, make sure I hang it like a rusted on a tree all day. And see what we get done. So there's your little shot on field. It runs up here. We got a fence line right here, and then another field back there. I think there's like 7 acres on this side and 8 on that side over there. Then, as you see, we're on a peak, and it drops off and rolls back through there. Well, I've caught up with Don. The grain cart's full. One dump truck here is full. Don's not back in the granary yet with the other dump truck. So I'm gonna walk back up here on top of this hill here where my truck's at and take it and get the semi. We haven't moved the semi down here yet. Maybe ask why my truck's on top of the hill. Well, I ain't put a starter in it. It don't start all the time. Manual transmission, so I have to clutch the roller off. I ain't time to put a starter in it yet. Usually in harvest, it's rained at least once or twice now. We're out of the field for a couple of days, and I got time to do oddball stuff like that. But it's been a dry year. I don't know about everybody else out there, but it's dry. We've been running hard now for going on 3 weeks every day, and have not had time to do the oddball stuff like put a starter in my truck. So it's not fixed yet. But luckily there's a hillside on every farm we're in, so my truck's been able to start. And I park it at the basement at night, so in the morning I can roll her off when I gotta come to the field. But anyway, I'll go over and get my truck, go get the semi, bring it down here. Matt, I think I found one of your critters. Go, get out of here. Go back to West Tennessee. We don't want you over here. He's going right. He's going east. Should have been going this way. Anyway, there he is, Matt. You can come get him. Take him back to your place sometime. I don't want him over here. Made it back. Got dump in the semi. Alex says got about a dump and a half left, maybe out there to cut. Count what's in the combine. So he's about got it all cut. So my semi may hold the last of it, which will work out about right. But don't dump it back here in a minute. Town should be. Talk to him. I think we'll take the combine back up and get started this thing, and we can put it on tomorrow morning. I think we'll take the combine to the shop. We're making plans now for a shop day tomorrow. I think we're going to, we got a belt we need to change on the combine for sure. I actually found a chip belt this morning. It ran today. We'll overnight one, should be in tomorrow. We'll pick it up tomorrow, swap it out. I'm I'm probably gonna pick up a starter for my truck tonight. I got tired of that thing not rolling off. We'll take a Saturday. We'll have a shop day. A couple of things we'll look at the combine. We've been busting our butt so much. We got about 50, 60 acres left. We about got our work on corn. So a pretty day tomorrow. Not too hot, not too cold yet. We are going to go to the combine good tomorrow and kind of take our ease a little bit. May get back in the cornfield tomorrow, may not. That's the plan for right now. But I got her whooped. This field lays in a weird horseshoe. It's going to come down like this and goes back around. Got a little pond down in there. It's new break ground. It's doing okay. Boy, about got her whooped, as you can see. Pretty steep little farm here. You don't realize how steep it is to get on. She's steep. You're gonna roll on these last couple of passes, get done. We gotta take the combine back to the shop. I got a belt. Well, the belt that runs my intake, not the one down on the side, but the one up on the corner dryer behind the seat, kind of. It is holding on by a wing and a prayer. It's got a couple of huge, ginormous chips out of it. If it doesn't blow up here in the last couple passes, I'll be surprised. But throw the butt out there. But I'm supposed to have another belt tomorrow. Hopefully I will. I got to do that. I think I got a bearing going bad. Need to change that. So we'll do a little bit of maintenance at the shop tomorrow morning. Before we get back into more corn. And that has this farm taken care of. Yep. It turned out all right. So we are going to go get stuff unloaded and go from ours. Get check me on the bib. We'll come back, get the semi, my blue truck, and I can call it loaded now. Oh, look at him back at that wagon up like a champ. Look at him. Stroller level right there. Didn't think I had it in him. We don't dump the head off. We're doing good. Bus 89 local people, and they didn't even wave at me. Shame. Alright, y'all remember, if you like what you see, subscribe to the video, drop a comment if you feel like it, and like always, good Lord willing, catch you on the flip side. Until the next.